Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling and valuation workshop by CMO. Okay, so these are the feature of this course. So like you'll be able to create efficient financial model. You'll have access to the high paying finance jobs, get an edge over other professionals. So these are the additional like details about this particular course. Like so this you'll get the validity for this course for 6 months. So then duration of this course will be 20 hours. So you'll get this completion certificate, and you will get all those sessions from CA Shivam Palan. Okay. So this course is basically available for a fee of 1,999. Okay. So now coming down to like what they are all offering in this course. So why mastering financial modeling is the express route to your dream career. So you'll get limitless opportunities, high paying finance role, mastering the basics, ready for core finance role, certificate of course, plus real projects, interview ready skills. So all of these things will be covered in this course. So post the completion of this course, you'll be able to apply for any opportunities in the investment banking, equity research, private equity, portfolio management, consulting or advisory, corporate finance, credit analysis, and the risk analysis. Okay. So now talking about how this workshop is going to be. So the day one, you'll be focused on understanding the foundation of the financial modeling. The day two will be focused on financial modeling and valuation fundamentals. Day 3 and 4 will be advanced concept in the financial modeling. Day 5 will be specialized topic in the financial modeling. Day 6 will be focused on like career guidance and the practical application. So then you'll also be able to work on the real life projects like the about real life projects, then merger and acquisition, discount and cash flow method, accretion and dilution model, then leverage buyout, technical preparation and interview guidance. Okay. So now if we check if they are covering any kind of placement assistance, so they have not mentioned on their website. In case I talk about the internship support, if they are offering, so they have not mentioned on their website. So like if we talk about like how these uh, classes will be conducted, so these are going to be live classes or these are going to be the recorded sessions. So let me just look into it. I'm just looking into it. What is the course structure and validity? So the course span over 20 hours of on-demand video content and covers a wide range of topics, including Excel fundamental, financial analysis, valuation methods, and much more. So you will also work on real life case studies and assignments. So so these are the features and the benefit of this course. So now, basis the kind of things or the details that we have looked into this course. So I'm going to rate this course basis some parameters. So the parameters are basically listed on the left. So if we talk about the course depth, so then this is not going to be a very good course, like a comprehensive course, because everything that you are going to learn in the 20 hours. So 20 hours are not enough to learn a financial modeling skill set. So Excel skills that you will learn in this course. So live session will be there. Okay. Live doubt session they have not mentioned. Internship support is missing in this course. Placement support is again missing in this course. Of course, fee is very less. Okay. Course duration will be again very small. Okay. The money back guarantee is something that they have not talked on. LMS access you will be getting for the 6 months of time. Okay. So basis these parameters, this course has scored 4 out of 10. Okay. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course, which basically comes with a complete package, which covers all the aspects of a financial modeling course, which you expect from any good institution. Okay. So I'm going to provide the details related to that course in the description box. Please check that out in case you need any kind of further support from my end. Okay. So feel free to ping in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.